welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sabrina, and if you're not new here, then welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you this Babyliss Big Hair, which Kirk bought me for Christmas, and I'm going to show you how I use this on my hair. So this is the, I think the normal size, which is the big one, but you can also get a smaller one, which is quite handy if you've got shorter hair. And it basically has a cold setting, a hot setting, and an even hotter setting. And then it's got these two buttons which basically rotate the brush one way or the other way. So you push one to go one way, you push the other to go the other way, which means that you can basically give yourself like a salon blow dry without having to sort of angle yourself. So you can just pull the hair down and it wraps it around the brush. It doesn't tangle, which is quite good. Yeah, so let me show you how I do it. So my hair is about 80% dry, and I'm just going to begin by sectioning. So I'm going to lift the top part of one side and flip it over to the other side, and then I can start working on the lower section. And I'm going to be putting the medium heat on the Babyliss Big Hair. So I'm going to start by taking smaller sections of hair. I'm going to place the brush under each section at the root and just hold it there for a few seconds to give it a good lift, before I then start rotating the brush and take it down the lengths of hair. I'll then continue to take smaller sections of hair and just repeat this process. So once I've completed this section of hair, I'll then do the exact same thing on the other side, and then once the whole lower section's completed, I'll just do the process all over again for the top part. Once I start on the other side, I'll need to use the opposite button from the one that I was just using, so that the brush will rotate the other way to go with that side of my hair. Now going to use the cool setting, and the brush won't actually rotate on this setting, so I'm just going to brush it all the way through my hair and it will just set everything. That's how I use my Babyliss Big Hair brush. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and please remember to subscribe to see more from me.